Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a delightful product from TYRIXKI. We'll be taking a closer look at their PBT 148 Keys Cute Keycaps Die Sublimation Bunny Keycap set. If you're a keyboard enthusiast or looking to add a touch of personality to your setup, this video is for you. Let's start by exploring what makes these keycaps stand out. Crafted from high-quality PBT material, these keycaps boast durability, a matte texture, and an anti-grease coating. This means they're resistant to wear and tear, ensuring they maintain the pristine appearance even after extended use. What sets these keycaps apart is their adorable bunny design, created using advanced dye sublimation technology. This ensures that the color penetrates the keycaps, resulting in clear and vibrant images that won't fade over time. Whether you're a fan of bunnies or just appreciate cute aesthetics, these keycaps are sure to bring a smile to your face. Now, let's talk compatibility. These keycaps are designed to fit most Cherry MX Keys mechanical keyboards, as well as any keys with plus switches. With a total of 148 keys, they can accommodate various keyboard layouts, from 61 to 108 keys, offering versatility for customization. Another noteworthy feature is the mower profile. This unique profile offers a higher level of stability and feel compared to standard keycaps. The rounded edge lines and curved design enhance comfort during typing sessions, making them ideal for those who appreciate mechanical keyboards. Installing these keycaps is a breeze, thanks to the included keycap puller. Simply use the puller to remove your existing keycaps and replace them with these adorable bunny keycaps. The precise fit design ensures a snug and secure fit, giving your keyboard a fresh new look in no time. In conclusion, the TYRIXKI PBT 148 Keys Cute Keycaps Die Sublimation Bunny Keycap set is a must-have for any keyboard enthusiast looking to add a touch of charm to their setup. With durable construction, vibrant designs, and compatibility with a wide range of keyboards, these keycaps offer both style and functionality. That wraps up our review of the TYRIXKI PBT 148 Keys Cute Keycaps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to check out our other videos for more reviews and tutorials. And remember, stay tuned to UK Pro Reviewer for all your tech needs. See you next time.